Getting married? Don't want to spend a fortune on an open bar? Or just looking to do something unique to serve drinks? A DIY wedding bar can save you some cash and keep the drinks flowing for your guests. Here's how to build your own. Step 1. Plan out your wedding bar. First, decide what types of beverages you'll be serving. Consider having beer, wine, cocktails, or even coffee on tap. Next, decide how many beverages you will serve. The type and number of beverages you have on tap will determine the overall size of your wedding bar, as well as which draft equipment you will need. Before starting the build, we recommend drawing a rough sketch to finalize your bar dimensions and tap location. Step 2. Gather the tools and materials needed. The materials you will need will vary based on the size and style of the wedding bar you plan to build. In addition to standard building tools and materials, you'll also need a conversion kit from Kegworks.com. Step 3. Build your wedding bar. Cut your materials to size based on your sketched plans. Then start with building the bar base. We recommend using 2x4s for strength and stability. After the base is built, install the bar top. Once the bar top is installed, add the faceboards to the bar base. Then, attach the top frame and add the faceboards as well. We chose pre-stained material available at retail hardware stores, but upcycled pallets or barnwood are other great options. Step 4. Install draft equipment. Using a power drill and 1-inch hole saw, drill a hole in the desired location. Insert the shank through the hole and secure with a lock nut. Attach the faucet and tap handles. Connect the beer lines to the shank and to the top of the keg coupler. Next, connect the air line to the coupler and the regulator and secure with screw clamps. Then attach the regulator to the air tank. Connect the coupler to the keg. Open the air tank and adjust the pressure to ensure a proper pour. Step 5. Add final touches. Once you've set up the draft system, it's time for the finishing touches. Add some decorative lights and glassware. Want to know more? Visit Kegworks.com/DIY wedding bar to download our full step-by-step instructions. Cheers!